Welcome, my friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I have got an important announcement for all of you. People who are related to project management, people who are related to HVAC can take a huge benefit of what I'm going to talk about. With my own experience in HVAC as well as managing projects, I have conceptualized and made digital courses related to project management as well as HVAC. These courses are driven by my own experiences. With the help of theory and my own experiences, I have built down a lot of important stuff for how do we manage projects, how do we manage risks, how do we plan our projects, how do we do good job on HVAC projects. These are some of the important topics which I have covered in this. The first one is project management importance. It's giving a simplification of how the project management can be used on your projects. It talks about terminologies, it talks about why projects fails, and a lot of other things which are important for all of you. The second one is leadership in project management. That's a course which is very important because the project management is more art than science, and you must know the leadership aspects to make your project successful, to grow you as a project manager in the ladder of hierarchy. The third course is risk management. Risk management is an important part of project management, and this course will be able to take you through all those elements of risk. How do we manage risk? How do we plan for risk? How do we mitigate risk? And how do we actually find the effectiveness of risk management? The fourth course is related to earned value management. Monitoring and controlling is an important aspect on any project. But how do I get data? How can I see what is my project doing? What is the health of the project in terms of cost and schedule? How do I do that? There's a good tool called EVM, the earned value management, that will help you to know where you are. You can also forecast based on various aspects where this project will land and take immediate actions. The fourth course is related to HVAC, and it talks about how do we do good installation on HVAC. So good installation practices is another course which is available for all HVAC engineers, or the people who want to be part of HVAC engineering. These courses are in very simple language, so everybody can understand. A lot of pictures, a lot of photographs, practicality is there in the course. And the last one which is available there is risk management in HVAC project. It's totally for HVAC. It talks about from pre-tendering till the closure of the projects, what are the risk elements and how do we take care of this. This will give you a whole idea, bird's view of HVAC projects, and that will definitely help you to avoid any cost overruns, any time overruns, or any financial losses on the project, or even loss of credibility. These are taken care in these courses. So please enjoy these courses. The links are available in the description box. Go through those links and you will definitely get an help from these courses. I request all of you to give me feedback so that I continually, upgrade myself. These courses come with lifetime access. So you have to go at your own pace. Don't have to rush. At your convenience, at your ease, you can go through the courses. You can go multiple number of times. If you have any comments, you can put these comments into the community and I will respond to you. So take the full benefit and enjoy. Happy learning, and I'm sure you'll get a lot of help. Thank you very much.